Welcome to a journey into the world of manifestation, a powerful process that empowers individuals to bring their dreams and desires into reality. Today, we will look into an essential hack that could dramatically enhance your manifestation efforts. This hack, simple yet profoundly effective, will be revealed and explored in detail throughout our discussion. So, whether you're familiar with the concept of manifestation or just starting out, this video is crafted to provide you with actionable insights that could potentially transform your approach to achieving your dreams. Manifestation is the process where your thoughts and energies actively create your reality. It's built on the principle that every individual has the power to influence their future by focusing their thoughts and actions towards desired outcomes. But manifestation is often surrounded by myths and misconceptions that can obscure its true essence and effectiveness. One common misconception is that manifestation works instantly and requires little more than thinking about what you want. In reality, effective manifestation is a more nuanced process involving a deep alignment of belief, emotion, and action. Another misconception is that manifestation can solve all life's problems miraculously. While it is a powerful tool, it works best when used alongside practical efforts and realistic goal setting. Understanding these aspects is crucial as it lays the groundwork for using the manifestation techniques correctly and effectively. It's not about wishful thinking, it's about aligning your mindset to be receptive to the opportunities and resources necessary to achieve your goals. The role of mindset in manifestation cannot be overstated. A positive, open mindset acts as fertile soil that nurtures the seeds of the goals and aspirations you wish to manifest. This aims to help you cultivate such a mindset, one that enhances your manifestation abilities. First, it's vital to recognize the power of your thoughts. Every thought emits energy that attracts like energy according to the law of attraction. If your mind is cluttered with doubts and negative thoughts, you're less likely to manifest positive outcomes. Transforming your mindset starts with self-awareness, recognizing negative thought patterns that may be holding you back. To shift to a more positive mindset, begin by practicing gratitude. Gratitude adjusts your focus from what is lacking to what is abundantly present in your life, which inherently shifts your mental energy from scarcity to abundance. Additionally, affirmations can be powerful tools. Start your day by affirming your abilities and visualizing your success, which programs your mind to act in ways that support your affirmations. Understanding and adjusting your mindset is the first step towards effective manifestation. It requires patience and persistent effort. As you cultivate a more receptive and positive mindset, you'll find that you are not only better at manifesting, but also more open to recognizing opportunities as they arise. Looking into the manifestation process, it becomes evident that clarity is not just beneficial, it's essential. Clear goals are like a roadmap for your manifestation journey. They guide your thoughts and actions towards specific outcomes. Without clarity, your manifestation efforts can become scattered and ineffective. Achieving clarity starts with asking yourself what you truly want. This question seems straightforward, but many find it challenging to answer definitively. Take the time to reflect deeply. Instead of vague desires like, "I want to be happy," or "I want to be successful," aim for specific goals. For instance, "I want to develop a habit of reading every night," or "I want to improve my skills to advance my career by taking a course in my field." Once you've defined clear goals, write them down. This simple act of writing not only helps solidify your goals in your mind, but also serves as a constant reminder of what you're working toward. With clear, written goals, you can better focus your energies and more effectively direct your actions toward manifesting these desires. Moving forward, let's explore visualization, one of the most powerful techniques in the toolkit of manifestation. Visualization involves forming a mental image of your desired outcome, picturing it as if it's already happening. This technique harnesses the power of your subconscious mind, aligning your mental and emotional energies with your goals. To practice visualization effectively, find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Now, imagine your goal as vividly as possible. If your goal is to become more fit, picture yourself exercising, feeling energetic, and enjoying your workouts. See the positive changes in your body, the increase in your stamina, and the clothes that fit better. Engage all your senses in this visualization. What do you see, hear, feel, and perhaps even smell? The key to effective visualization is the emotion behind the images. It's not enough to just see the outcome. You must feel the joy, pride, and satisfaction that comes with achieving your goal. These emotions are powerful motivators and act as signals to the universe, attracting the very experiences you're visualizing. Through regular practice, visualization not only keeps you motivated, but also subconsciously prepares you to seize the opportunities that come your way. It's a method that not only helps in manifesting your goals, but also in maintaining your focus and enthusiasm throughout your journey. Now, let's explore the central element of our discussion, the manifestation hack that promises to enhance your ability to attract what you desire. This technique, known as the as-if method, involves acting as if you have already achieved your goal. This approach is grounded in the principle that the energy you emit is the key to attracting similar energies and opportunities. The as-if method shifts your mindset from one of wanting to one of having. For instance, if your goal is to be more confident in social situations, you would start acting as if you are already confident. You would attend more social events, engage more openly with people, and carry yourself as a confident person would. This not only changes how others perceive you, but also how you perceive yourself, reinforcing your belief in your ability to achieve your goal. Implementing the as-if method requires you to thoroughly understand your goal and envision the behaviors associated with achieving it. It's about embodying the success you seek, which in turn helps to break down mental barriers and self-doubt, paving the way for genuine achievement. Adopting the as-if method into your daily routine can be transformative, but it requires consistency and dedication. Here are practical tips to integrate this hack effectively. Begin with small actions that align with your goal. If you're aiming for a promotion, start by taking on more responsibilities at work, even before the promotion happens. Use affirmations that reinforce your as-if scenario. Repeat phrases like, "I am successful and valued in my workplace," or "I am a confident speaker" daily. This helps solidify the mindset you're aiming to adopt. At the end of each day, take a few minutes to reflect on the actions you took that align with your as-if scenario. This reflection not only encourages a positive mindset, but also helps identify areas for improvement. As you progress, your actions might need adjustments. Be flexible and willing to refine your approach as you learn more about what works best for achieving your goal. By regularly practicing the as-if method, you start to create a new reality for yourself. This isn't about pretending or being inauthentic. It's about training your mind and body to live in the reality you're working to create. This alignment of thought, emotion, and action is crucial for effective manifestation. While we continue our journey into the power of manifestation, remember that this hack is just one part of a larger system. Combining it with clarity of purpose and effective visualization strengthens your practice and brings you closer to realizing your dreams. While the as-if method is a powerful tool, it's not uncommon to encounter challenges when incorporating it into your daily life. Understanding these challenges and knowing how to address them is essential for maintaining your momentum and achieving your goals. One common challenge is the persistence of negative thoughts and self-doubt. It's natural for old patterns of thinking to resurface, especially when trying something new. To counter this, practice mindfulness and self-compassion. When negative thoughts arise, acknowledge them without judgment and gently redirect your focus to your affirmations and positive actions. Another challenge is the external environment. You may face skepticism or lack of support from others. In these situations, it's important to stay committed to your path and remember why you started. Consistency is another hurdle many people face. Integrating new habits requires effort and persistence. To maintain consistency, create a routine that incorporates your as-if practices. Set aside specific times each day for affirmations, visualization, and reflection. Using reminders or setting goals can also help you stay on track. Mastering the art of manifestation involves understanding its principles, adopting the right mindset, setting clear goals, and effectively using techniques like the as-if method. By integrating these practices into your daily life and overcoming challenges with resilience and practical solutions, you can turn your dreams into reality. Remember, the power to manifest your desires lies within you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on achieving your goals and living your best life. Thank you for watching.